Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn how to make this mechanism. Basically it's a power transmission between two parallel shafts. Let's see how to make it. So I'm in assembly mode and I will make everything inside the assembly mode. So first thing that I will do is go to the design library, click on toolbox, click on add in now. Click on NSI matrix, power transmission gears and choose per gear. Once you place it here, as you can see these kind of parameters, make sure that you match or have the same one that I'm using for this tutorial. You can customize as per your requirement at onwards. So face width is, let's say, 5 mm. All units are in mm because that's the standard units that I basically work. And normal shaft diameter is 10 mm. Let's make it 5 mm. There is no keyway, that's why it's none. I think this much is fine. Click OK, close it. Uh, Now what I will do, I will go to the sketch, click on sketch, select this surface, click on convert entities. Now I will press Ctrl A, Ctrl C to copy it. Close this, exit the sketch mode. Now click on assembly, new part, OK. Select the right plane, press Ctrl V, extrude up to 5 mm. A question comes to your mind, why I have done this. The sole reason is that for the simplicity, because if I do any kind of modification or save this file right now, it will run my this library, toolbox library, so I don't want it. That's the reason I'm doing it. Now click on here, sketch, and I need a hole here. 5 mm is fine. Features, extrude cut, roll, okay. And exit the cell component mode. Now I don't need this part. Click on delete it. I'm deleting the old part, okay? And also I don't need this sketch. Delete. Now what I want to do is uh, by pressing Control and left click on my mouse, drag this part. How much for total 3 times, so that I can have 4 gears. As you can see that I have 4 gears right now. Great. Now what I want to align them correctly. Let's see what I mean. So first let's create a shaft. So click on here, new part. Okay. And I will choose the front plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Click on here, straight slot. Make sure selected center of the origin and this one. While making this, make sure no external references checked on. If you have accidentally make this sketch without this, I recommend restart it because it will create an issues while doing mates. Okay. Now distance will be 30 and this will be 2. Enter the diameter and this will be 5 mm. 5 mm and this will be 5 mm. Just this is radius and this is diameter. Click OK. Features, extrude both space. OK. And exit the SL component mode. And I will select the top plane first. Click on sketch. Now I will draw some lines that will act as my reference. Distance between them will be 30 mm. A question comes to your mind, how I know 30 mm? So think about it. How? If you want the solutions, you can check out my course. Basically, I have explained in deep detail how it's come to that value. Okay, and I will select this and this one. I will select this and this line. make it concentric, first direction. Okay, select this face and I will select the front plane, but make sure it's parallel to it. Okay, select this face and this face. Okay, select this face and this face. Okay, select this face and so I will select the right plane. Select, oh, sorry, select this circle and this line. Make sure it's concentric. Click OK. Select this face, press Ctrl plus 8. Now, what I will do, select this face and this face. Okay, and what I basically want, correct gear rotation. So I will click on mates, mechanical, gears, and I will select this edge and this edge. Normally you put the diameters, but here's the thing. These two teeth have the same number of teeth. So I don't need to add any kind of, number of teeth here. That's the reason I'm not adding it. So if I try to rotate, you can see it's working great. That's a good thing. Click OK. Now let's try to engage this one and select this one and this one. Make it gear. Let's see if it is working or not. Yep, it's working great. Click OK and close this. Now I have to make one more. So what I will do, click on here, new part, OK, and I will select the right plane. Now what I will do, I will click on here, the diameter radius is 5 mm, length is up to your requirements, but I think 60 mm is fine for me. Escape, select this point and this point, make it coincide. I will draw two circles, both 5 mm each. Forward, extrude 5 mm. Okay. Now what I will do, I will go to the mates, select this and this face. Okay. Select this and this face. Select these two faces. Select this face and this face. Go to the standard coincident. Okay. Now move it upwards. Right click on it and change transparency so that it will be transparent. Now I want to make it align properly. Now what I will do, I will go to the mates, select this arc and this arc, go to the mechanical, click on gears, click OK. So if I try to rotate, you can see it's rotating. Plus I can move it up and down as per my requirement with the load. Now let's make our motor and other things so that it can work. And one thing that I need to make sure that it doesn't go much more down so that it has connectivity with this one. So let's see how we tackle this problem. So first let's make a motor one. Click on here, new part. Okay, and I will select this face. Make sure no external reference is checked on. Control plus 8. Features 10 mm. Okay, extrude, extrude as per your requirements. I think this much is fine for me. Click OK and exit it. Now what I will do, I will go to the mates, select this face and this face. Click OK and I will select this face and this face. I will pressing Control, left click on my mouse, drag this part. Mates, select this face and this face. Select this face and this face. Okay. Now what I will do, now I need to make something, that basically move up and down this thing. So what I can make, any guess? So I will make something, so I will first put all of them in a box and I will make something to, make it control it in a way. So let's see how to approach it. So click on here, new part. Okay. I will select the top plane, press Ctrl plus 8. Make sure no external reference is checked on, because most of the time people ask, say in my comments, hey, it's not working, hey, it's not working, I am facing mating issues, etc. etc. So that's the reason I am saying all this. So that's the reason I'm saying all this. Sorry if you heard any kind of noise. It is why it's that. Let me rebuild it. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to modify a little sketch. First exercise and component mode. Click on here and sketch. So the issue is it need to be here. Make it coincide like this. Delete it. Exit the sketch. And yes, you can see it's rebuilt correctly. Now it will be easier for us to work. So select this part. Click on component. Now I can have better references. Make it see, extrude in feature 5 mm. 3 mm is fine also. Direction 2. Okay. Select this face, click on sketch and draw a rectangle like this and make it coincide. Features extrude 3 mm. Enter and exit it. Right click and make it change transparency so that we can see what's going on. So basically I want to control this one. So I will select this part, click on sketch, Control plus 8. I'm not able to see inside, so I will go to this view. Now I can able to see, that's great. Go to the sketch, select the top face, draw the center line, like this. Go to the smart dimensions, 4.5, 4 mm. I will draw a circle here, 3 mm, extrude cut through all. Okay, now exit it. We will go back to this node. Now I need something to move up and down. So I will go here, click on new part. Okay, select the top face, press Ctrl plus 8. Select this circle, click on convert entities. Yes. Make sure no external reference is checked on. Click on extrude, reverse direction, increase its length as per your requirement. And in direction 2, we also need some length. Okay, select this face, click on sketch, draw a circle here, 10 mm, features, extrude, 3 mm, select this, draw a circle here, give it a diameter as per your requirements, 2 mm, circular pattern, select this circle, entities that I want to pattern this one, make it 6, or let's make it 8, done, features, extrude cut through all, looks good to me. Now what I want, select this edge, make it fillet, 2 mm, okay, 1 mm is fine I guess, yes 1 mm is fine, click OK. Uh, Basically what actually in real life you need to do is, you make it thread here, but if I make a thread my PC will become slow down, so I'm just making it as simple as it is. Now exit this mode, go to the mates, select this face and this face, okay, cancel it, right click and click on hide components, because we will come it back, but first we need to do this something for this. So this one, close it, and right click, uh, show components, made, select this, and oh my bad, delete. Okay, my bad again. Right click and make it fixed so that this part doesn't move. I don't want this part to be moved. Select this, and okay. Now what I will do is simply move. Okay, that's a tangent relation. Okay, so I guess I have to do some changes. So select this, edit component, evaluate. Let's first check what's the circumference. Diameter is 3. Okay, so I will select this one, and fillet I will change the value. I will change it to 1.5 mm. Click OK, and let's see what's mate we have used. Okay, consenting mate is there, but other one is gone. Great. Now exit it. What I will do, mate, select this face, and okay, first select this one and hide it so that mate will work properly. Select this face and this one. Make sure it's tangent. Okay. Now let's bring it back and show. We can see that I'm getting a lot of errors, so no worries. So first right click and delete this constant made that previously come. Now you can see it's working great. Making this much is a difficult task. Now let's see what we can do. Nearly it's done, but all we need to do is simulation, and there is a little bit interference on this side. So let's fix it. Oh, one more issue. The teeth is not correctly engaged for some reason. So edit components, mates. I don't have credit. I just want to check the edit. See how to fix it. The first side is so right click and make it fix. It's for temporary purposes, not permanent. Select this and suppress it. Zoom in. It looks good to me. Unsuppress it. Right click, plot. Now it will work. Yes, this is what I'm talking. This is mechanical. Now it's taking a lot of time. My brain is already not training. Feels ruined my life. Now let's make this features, extrude cut. Make whatever the width and height as per your requirement. Don't ask me what's the width you have to give. Just you are learning concepts, how to make it. I'm not going to teach you how to make professionally because if I try to teach you professionally, exact dimensions, everything correctly, this video will take more than 6 hours or even 10 hours just to make it. If I use, industry standards, blah blah blah, etc. So I'm not going to spend that much time because nobody watches that long videos. So that's the thing. I make videos like this. Now we have to reach this point. Now let's give them some coloring so that it's easier to visualize. So let's start. So first thing that I will do, I will hide this component again. Go here. Let's use plastic, high gloss. This one is blue. Right click and make it independent. So when you click on make independent, this gear will become an independent part. So what I can do is I can give it separate color. Notice. But if I try to give the separate color like this, you can see all of them are changing. So you have to make them independent. That is also one of the reason I make them, separate assembly part. And right click, make independent as well, and make it red color. So it's better and easier to visualize. So this is yellow color, and let's bring that back. Go to the motion study, water. 100 RPM is fine. Mm, Solidworks add in, Solidworks motion, bring it up, go to the motion analysis, go to the motor, select this face, click on linear, and go downwards, click on distance, 0 to 5 seconds, let's say it is uh, 20 mm. Click OK, click on calculate. Okay, we have an issue. Right click, edit feature, and reverse the direction. So it will go downwards. click OK and click on calculate. Okay, that's not bad. Right click. Instead of 20, let's make it 10 mm. Click OK. Let's make it 10 seconds. Calculate. One more thing that I observe is that this motor is not rotating. Why? Why it's not rotating, bro? Maybe what's actually happening at this one is, creating some issue. This box. So right click, hide component, and right click, delete this motor. I will make adding a new one. Select this. 100 RPM, fine. Now I will bring it back. Now, okay, I right click and change transparency as well. Now if I click on play, still not rotating. That's an issue. Not fix, not fix. Why it's not? I can see that it's rotating, moving here, but why it's not there? What's the issue? Maybe Solidworks bug? Who knows? So let's change it a little bit. Here, let's add the motor here in this one. Okay, click OK. Copy still. It's rotating. Why? Right click, hide this component. Uh, Edit feature, constant speed. It's rotate about this point. Yeah, it's working right now. So what was the issue previously? I think the issue was that I didn't define it need to be rotate about what. This is thing called the relative. So I need to be something that need to be stopped. So as you can see now it's working great, fine. Play back now. Let's go to the first frame. Play. You know what? I will remove this. Let's go here and remove this part. I don't like this. Hide and click on play. So you can see the power transmission at a parallel angle, and we can control this with the rod. So I hope you guys learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.